High Point Public Library's Reader Services presents Getting Started with Libby. First, let's make it easier to navigate the menu. Open the main menu using the three lines in the center of the menu bar. Under the Help section, open Settings. Then choose to customize navigation. And put some labels on those pictures. Now let's take a look at each menu option. Library will open your active library collection. You can browse book categories by scrolling down the page. Or you can use the search menu for that collection. There are a lot of search options here. All of your library collections will show up when you click open your shelf, including all of your books on loan or hold. You'll see how much longer you have and where you are in each book you're reading. Click the Actions button and you can manually sync your shelf across your devices from phone to tablet. Your timeline will show the same current loans and holds, but it will also show books you have already read and turned in. And there's an action button here too. So relax, you've got this. Libby is brought to you by the High Point Public Library. For more information, call this number or follow the links in the description below.